Hello everyone, welcome back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from the top of the Hoff in Boise, Idaho. Today, our topic is the importance of having a well-designed website. A lot of the time, your web page is the first thing a consumer will see of your company. Because of this, you want to make sure that it's well-made and easy to navigate to make a great first impression. Tune in to hear more. One of the most important reasons to have a website is the ease of access to information for your customers. If customers struggle to find information, they'll almost always go with your competitor for business. Potential customers want your company's information to be readily available and easy to find. Also, it's a good idea to have multiple pages on your website to split up the information and make it easier to navigate. Having more than one page on your website increases your opportunities for keywords and link building, both of which are drivers for website traffic. Keywords make it so when a customer searches for certain words, your business pops up in the search results. If you have a website with multiple pages, it gives you more of a chance to squeeze in as many keywords as you can. This makes it increasingly more likely that a customer will find you in an organic web search. Link building is another great opportunity you get from having a well-designed and organized website. Having multiple pages on your site makes it more likely that other websites will link back to yours. Many websites will not want to link to another that isn't well organized, so content and design comes into play there as well. If you're looking for web design or other marketing services, Socialize Marketing can help you with all of your needs. Make sure you check us out at getsocialize.com for more information.